Hi friends! Welcome back to Uthra Srini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
A crispy and crunchy fried Chana Dal snack seasoned with spices. Now that sounds delicious. What are we waiting for? Let's get started. To a bowl, add washed Chana Dal. Add milk. Add water and soak dal overnight. The next day, drain the soaked dal. Spread the dal in a clean kitchen towel and air dry for about an hour. After 1 hour, heat oil in a pan. Fry Chana Dal in small batches. Deep fry dal on medium heat for 7 to 8 minutes, or until it becomes nice and crispy. Drain fried dal onto a paper towel to remove any excess oil. Transfer fried dal to a bowl and season it with salt and red chili powder. Enjoy this delicious, crispy and crunchy namkeen with a cup of wonderful chai.
If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive our updates. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye!